We've all heard it our entire lives. Eat your vegetables to stay healthy. But what if that advice isn't always the whole story, especially once you're over 60? Here's something you might find surprising. Some vegetables, often labeled as health foods, can actually cause problems as we age. They can interfere with calcium absorption in your bones, contribute to painful kidney stones, increase joint inflammation, and even make your blood sugar rise as quickly as a sugary soda. And the food industry won't be putting warning labels on them anytime soon. But don't worry, it's not all bad news. In fact, there's a small group of powerhouse vegetables that can help protect your collagen, nourish your skin, and support strong bones and joints. You just need to know which ones to choose. In this video, we're going to count down the 4 vegetables you should approach with caution and the 4 you should be eating regularly. Make sure you stay with us to the end. The number 1 vegetable to avoid is a staple in most kitchens, and you've likely eaten it this week without realizing the potential impact. And the number 1 vegetable you should eat has been shown to support your body's natural collagen production in a powerful way. Yet many people walk right past it. Before we begin, let us know in the comments what vegetables are on your plate most often. Have you ever felt bloated, stiff, or tired after eating certain ones? We read every comment and will reply with helpful tips. All right, let's start with number 4 on our list of vegetables to watch out for. Worst vegetable, number 4, beets. Beets are often celebrated for their health benefits, especially for blood pressure. This is thanks to their high nitrate content, which your body uses to help relax blood vessels. And that part is true. But there's another side to beets, particularly for older adults. They can pose a hidden challenge to your kidney and bone health. The issue comes down to a compound called oxalates. Beets are one of the foods highest in oxalates. These natural compounds can bind with calcium in your body. When too many oxalates build up, they can form sharp crystals in your kidneys, leading to painful kidney stones. A single cup of cooked beets has over 150 milligrams of oxalates. As we get older, our kidneys may not filter waste as efficiently as they used to. This means that what your body could easily handle at age 30 might now be enough to cause issues. Oxalates don't just affect your kidneys. They can also prevent your body from absorbing calcium from your food. This means the calcium you need for strong bones might get locked up before it can do its job, increasing your risk of weaker bones. Safer alternatives. If you want those blood pressure benefits without the high oxalate risk, consider arugula or celery. Both are rich in natural nitrates, but much lower in oxalates, making them a safer choice for daily consumption. Worst vegetable number 3. Green bell peppers. They're a staple in so many dishes, from salads to stir-fries. Green bell peppers seem harmless, right? But if you're over 60, this common vegetable could be a source of low-grade inflammation that you may not even notice. Here's why. Green bell peppers are part of the nightshade family and contain plant proteins called lectins. For some people, especially those with sensitive digestion, lectins can irritate the gut lining. Over time, this can contribute to chronic inflammation, which can show up as joint pain, stiffness, or general fatigue. You might wonder how gut health affects your legs and joints. Well, it's all connected. An inflamed digestive system has a harder time absorbing key nutrients. This includes things like vitamin B12 for nerve health and magnesium for muscle function. When your body isn't getting these nutrients, you might experience tingling in your feet, muscle fatigue, or feeling unsteady on your feet. A quick tip: red, yellow, and orange bell peppers are the fully ripened versions. They are sweeter, have more antioxidants, and contain fewer lectins than green ones. Cooking does help reduce lectins, but it doesn't remove them completely. Safer swaps. Instead of green peppers, choose red bell peppers. Zucchini is another gentle anti-inflammatory option that's great in stir-fries and salads. Worst vegetable number 2, tomatoes. Tomatoes are everywhere in our sauces, salads, and sandwiches. They're packed with beneficial antioxidants like lycopene. But for some people, tomatoes can be a problem. They are also part of the nightshade family, just like green peppers. Nightshades contain natural compounds called alkaloids, including one named solanine. In sensitive individuals, particularly those with arthritis or autoimmune conditions, solanine can act as a trigger for inflammation. This might show up as more joint pain or morning stiffness. Of course, not everyone is sensitive to nightshades, but if you have persistent joint issues, it's worth paying attention to how you feel after eating tomato-heavy meals. Safer alternatives. If you notice that tomatoes seem to bother you, try swapping them for other antioxidant-rich vegetables like carrots, squash, or leafy greens in your sauces and soups. If you love tomatoes, try eating them in smaller amounts and pairing them with anti-inflammatory foods like olive oil. Worst vegetable number 1. Potatoes. The classic white potato. It's the ultimate comfort food, found in everything from mashed potatoes to French fries. But here's the issue for those over 60. White potatoes have a very high glycemic load. This means they can cause your blood sugar to spike very quickly. In fact, the effect can be similar to that of a sugary drink. As we age, our bodies often become less sensitive to insulin, making it harder to manage these sugar spikes. Over time, frequent blood sugar surges can increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and contribute to body-wide inflammation. Potatoes are also a member of the nightshade family, so they contain alkaloids that can contribute to joint discomfort in sensitive people. Safer alternatives. You don't have to give up comforting root vegetables. Instead of relying on potatoes, try roasted cauliflower, parsnips, or carrots. If you do eat potatoes, boiling them is a better choice than baking, as it slightly lowers their glycemic impact. Always eat them with a source of protein and fiber to slow down the sugar absorption. Okay, so we've covered the vegetables to be cautious with, but the good news is there are plenty of amazing vegetables that are your body's best friends. These vegetables actively support collagen production, protect your cartilage, and help keep your body strong and mobile. Let's flip the script and reveal the 4 vegetables you should be eating. Best vegetable number 4, broccoli. For many, broccoli is just a simple side dish, but for people over 60, it's a true powerhouse for protecting your collagen, which is the protein that keeps your skin firm, your joints cushioned, and your bones strong. Here's why. First, broccoli is loaded with vitamin C. Your body cannot create collagen without vitamin C. Just 1 cup gives you over 80% of your daily needs. Second, it's a great source of vitamin K. Most people know calcium is vital for bones, but vitamin K is what helps guide that calcium into your bones where it belongs. And broccoli's secret weapon is a compound called sulforaphane. Research suggests that sulforaphane can help protect your cartilage from breaking down. So, broccoli not only helps you build new collagen, but it also helps protect what you already have. How to eat it? Lightly steam broccoli for a few minutes to preserve its nutrients. Roasting it with olive oil is another great option. Best vegetable number 3, kale. Kale became famous as a superfood, and for good reason. For older adults, it delivers incredible benefits for collagen, bones, and overall resilience. Like broccoli, kale is packed with vitamin C to support collagen formation. But where kale truly stands out is its vitamin K content. A single cup provides a massive amount of vitamin K, which is essential for bone density. It helps lock calcium into your bones, which is critical for preventing fractures. Kale is also filled with antioxidants that protect your skin and connective tissues from damage, helping to keep your skin firm and your joints flexible. How to eat it? You can add kale to smoothies, sauté it with garlic and olive oil, or use it as a base for a nutrient-dense salad. Best vegetable number 2, okra. Okra is often overlooked, maybe because of its unique texture, but this vegetable is one of the best you can eat for joint health and collagen support after 60. That slightly slimy texture it gets when cooked is from something called mucilage. This substance is incredibly soothing for your digestive system and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Think of mucilage as an internal moisturizer. It helps hydrate your connective tissues, providing natural lubrication for your joints and cartilage. Okra is also a good source of vitamin C for collagen building, and it's full of antioxidants like quercetin that protect your existing collagen from damage caused by inflammation. How to eat it? Okra is delicious when roasted, which reduces the slimy texture. You can also add it to soups and stews. Best vegetable number 1, carrots. Carrots might seem ordinary, but don't underestimate them. For people over 60, they are a collagen-supporting champion hiding in plain sight. The magic of carrots comes from their bright orange color, which is from beta-carotene. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for repairing and maintaining the tissues that line your joints and make up your skin. It helps keep these collagen-rich structures strong and resilient. Carrots also provide a healthy dose of vitamin C, creating a perfect partnership for both building and repairing collagen. The antioxidants in carrots also help protect your skin and joints from the daily wear and tear of aging. How to eat it? Eating carrots both raw and lightly cooked is ideal. Cooking them makes the beta-carotene more available, while eating them raw preserves the vitamin C. And be sure to eat them with a healthy fat, like olive oil or avocado, to help your body absorb the beta-carotene. So there you have it. Not all vegetables are created equal, especially as we get older. Being mindful of beets, green bell peppers, tomatoes, and white potatoes can help you avoid hidden triggers for inflammation and blood sugar spikes. At the same time, embracing collagen protectors like broccoli, kale, okra, and carrots can actively strengthen your body's foundation. The key takeaway is to choose wisely. Every meal is an opportunity to either support your body or work against it. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of the vegetables to avoid are you most surprised by? And which of the collagen-supporting vegetables will you add to your shopping list this week? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend or family member who deserves this information. After 60, what we eat is the cornerstone of our strength, mobility, and independence. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next video on living your healthiest life. Here's to making smart choices for a strong and vibrant future.